Scan Preview allows you to view the first page and only the first page of the file before sending or faxing it to its destination. Perform the following steps to preview a scan or fax job. For this Scan Preview example, we will scan to a USB drive. With the originals placed in the document feeder, tap USB drive on the home screen. To store the scan in a USB storage device, connect the USB storage device to the USB port on the EA Studio. Then, wait a few seconds. Tap Scan to USB in the upper right corner of the touchscreen. Tap File Name. Using the on-screen keyboard, type a name for the file. Then, tap OK. On the menu, on the left side of the touchscreen, tap Send As. Select a file type from the drop-down menu. For this example, we will select PDF. On the menu, tap Scan Preview and then tap on to switch this feature on. Then tap Scan. The first page of the document will move through the automatic document feeder. Then, the page will be displayed. If the preview is not acceptable, tap the trash can icon in the image preview to cancel the job. If the preview is acceptable, tap Accept to finish scanning the remaining pages.